welcome back to another episode of the Orange Couch Davis Expo edition, the show where we sit down and talk to fellow colleagues and industry leaders and ask them a few questions, to try to get to know them a little more. Today we have Josh from Lucas Lighting. Welcome to the couch, Josh.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How comfortable is the Orange Couch from a 1 to 10?
Oh, I'm going to go 8.
Oh, an 8. That's a good one.
Solid 8.
Perfect. If you could bring back one canceled TV show, what would it be?
Oh, man. Man, that's terrible. Let's go Dinosaurs.
That was an amazing show.
Amazing show.
Yes, it was. My favorite morning with cereal at Grandma's house.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Catchphrases.
Oh, amazing.
I'm the baby, brand new, just out. Gotta love me. Come on, gotta love me.
If you could add one class to every high school curriculum, what would it be?
Man, it's not adding, it's bringing it back. We got to bring back the skilled trades.
Yes.
The table saws, everything.
Homemade.
Wood shop, absolutely.
Yes.
Trades.
I agree.
Yep.
If you could swap lives with someone for just 1 week, who would it be?
Oh, John Stamos.
What new or current product are you most excited about?
I am most excited about our M Series mini bulbs. It's been a long time coming, and we got them, and they're amazing.
Yeah? What's cool about them?
We make them. We're the only ones that make them. We designed them from the ground up. You can put them in most cars. You don't need to do any more work. You just plug them in and they work.
Awesome. All right, and lastly, what does success actually mean to you? Not what society says, but what you think.
I think just happiness, and if it makes you happy and it works, I think that's success.
I agree.
Yeah.
Well, Josh, thank you so much for joining us on the Orange Couch. We hope you're enjoying the expo.
100%. Wonderful. Thank you for having me.
Awesome.